Hello everyone, this is K.H. Pakhale, lecturer in chemistry, CSMSS College of Polytechnic. Today we are going to discuss about how to create some best or usable things using waste materials. This is an initiative to generate the habit of using old things to create beautiful crafts among students to develop their creativity and thinkability and engineering skills. As you all are going to become engineer, then what are the qualities an engineer must have? Engineer must have a focus, must be a problem solver, must have STEM skills, a team player he should be, must know ethical values and work accordingly. Engineer must have good communication skills, must be curious, and most of all must be practical and resourceful. When you say STEM skills, then what are the skills engineer must have? The skills are like technical skills, ability to work under pressure, problem solving skills, creativity, interpersonal skills, commercial awareness, team working skills, attention to detail, innovation, positive attitude, willingness to learn, thinking skill are needed in brainstorming project meetings, designing products, and most of all problem solving. For students, using waste materials to create waste, that is usable objects, is a chance to solve real problems while learning skills they probably don't get in school. It's really hitting those 21st century learning skills that we talk so much about. We are not giving students answer to anything. What we are doing is asking them to solve a problem. Anytime you are solving a problem, you are applying those broad thinking skills and the engineering design process skills that you are not taught in traditional learning system. These waste-free activities will not only reduce the amount of trash generated and reduce waste collection costs, they will also teach students real-life concepts of environmental stewardship by finding ways to reduce and reuse. Environmental project-based learning will help children connect to the natural world, will help them feel like they are making real contributions to their community, and will help them integrate in-class learning and hands-on experiences. One of the activity, that is composting of wet waste, means leftover food, vegetables, is a hands-on way to learn about important life science concepts such as ecosystem, food webs, and biodegradation. Students experience how worms and other decomposers recycle fruits and vegetable scrap into compost. We can prepare very nice things from different waste materials. This activity helps to enhance not only creativity and presentation skills, but also helps students to realize the importance of recycling and reusing waste material available to them. Students can craft an object out of their imagination from the materials such as bottles, cardboard boxes, paper, plastic cups, and many other objects considered as trash. Now, when you say creating beautiful or usable things from waste, then the type of waste comes in our mind is solid waste. Solid waste management is one of the major problems in today's modern world. Improper planning and execution are the main causes of this problem. Also, an increase in population and urbanization increasing in solid waste load on disposal areas at a much faster pace. We can reuse the solid waste materials as a step towards sustainable development. Now, one of the major part from solid waste comes from the construction industry. Partial replacement of coarse aggregate with demolished waste is one of the reuse of construction waste. The increased waste in the construction industry causes a major problem for disposal operation. The waste materials from construction activities are heavy in weight and occupy more storage space. In India, out of 48 million tons of solid waste generated, construction waste makes up 25%. Concrete and masonry waste can be recycled by sorting, crushing, and sieving into recycled aggregates. These recycled aggregates can be used to make concrete for road construction, soil stabilization, etc. The reuse of waste material is an important factor in point of sustainability. Here you can see the waste from construction industry. One of the another use of solid material is making noise absorbing materials using agro waste products. Increasing population increases the number of vehicles, and because of that both air and noise pollution are increased. Not only from the traffic, but noise pollution is also produced from industries and also uses of many mechanical and electrical appliances. Agro-based waste products such as rice husk and bamboo can be used for absorbing the noise, where rice husk is a waste product from the paddy fields and bamboo is abundantly available in the tropical areas of the climate. Here you can see the noise absorbing material made from bamboo waste products, vegetable waste products. Here are some ideas to create the best things from waste materials. When you put the right use, you can create useful things from waste materials such as pretty handicrafts for your home, accessories or even toys. Here are some ways to reuse and recycle at home. You can repurpose glass, plastic and cardboard containers. One of the best uses of empty plastic soda bottles is as a planter for flowers and herbs. You can designate a kitchen drawer for plastic bags. You can reuse your home delivered newspapers. You can convert old sheets, towels and clothing into wash rags. Here are some items from your home you can save from trash and can use to make some beautiful and usable things such as glass jars, containers or cans, gallon jugs, plastic soda bottles, takeouts and other plastic containers, newspapers, magazine, paper bags, clothes, towels, even the plastic bags you can use and reuse. Here are some ideas to reuse your paper lying at your home. You can make beautiful origami, beads of jewelry, wall art, paper decoration items, balls, paper balls, newspaper baskets, photo frames, bags, even pen stand and wall hangings you can make from the waste paper. You can also reuse your plastic bottles at home for making zipper supply cases, soda bottle sprinkler, plastic bottle plant holder. You can upcycle laundry detergent bottles into a watering can, wall hanging bottle garden, or you can create a piggy bank made from a reused plastic bottle. You can turn a lotion or shampoo bottle into charging dock or bird feeders. Here are some ideas executed by students. One of the idea is chip solution. As you can see, every academic place has many empty packets of chips. After noticing how many chips bags ended up in the trash at their school, a group of students got a solution from this, and that is chip solution. And because the bags contain polythene, they can't easily be recycled. But as insulation, in tests the students found that chips bags were both more effective and cheaper than the standard material used in construction. Another idea executed by students is composting waste food. A team of girls created this concept for a home device that turns food scrap and waste into fuel for natural gas appliances. Organisms break down the food, making methane gas that can be used in stoves, furnaces or hot water heaters. Students also did biodegradation of polythene. The plastic bags made from polythene plastic can't be recycled, but team of students has a different solution, that is plastic composter, that uses bacteria to biodegrade polythene. Over a 15-week period, the process creates CO2 which can be reused in other products and biomass that can be sold as fertilizers. Some students made bricks out of waste plastic. Now, this plastic waste and other demolition material makes up a major bulk of plastic bricks that make them much more light than regular bricks. This means that they can be perfect for construction of small as well as high-rise buildings. Also in high-rise building, it is important for the base to be strong while the remaining structure is required to be sturdy yet light. If plastic bricks are used to make up the walls of the structure, it can truly bring down the overall weight of the building, making it suitable for earthquake prone zones too. The conventional red clay bricks can be the cause of soil erosion. Plastic bricks can help solve it. If we happen to sell 10 lakhs of those, it will be able to recycle 2,50,000 kgs of waste material. Here you can see the bricks made from plastic waste. Here are some other ideas. You can make intricate shoe from cardboard and plastic. You can make house entirely of cardboard, a photo frame from plastic, artistic pen stand from paper and cardboard. You can make different organizers, toys, games, even robots, vehicle models, and many more constructive items you can make. Here are some examples. Here you can see in picture a beautiful organizer made of paper and cardboard. Here you can see the clock made of cardboard. Here in this picture you can see decorative article made of cardboard, and a paper cup is used here. Here a beautiful bowl made of cardboard and paper. You can also make beautiful snowman from your socks. Here pencil carrier is made from cardboard. In this picture you can see penguins made out of waste bottles. Here some beautiful frames are made from ice cream sticks as well paper. Here backpack is made, and also one study table is made. Now online teaching is going on. This study table is quite useful for this purpose. So you can make your own using cardboard. Here that student is making beautiful pictures using dried leaves and flowers. You can make very creative games using waste cardboard. Here in this picture you can see cups are used, paper cups are used for making different games. Here waste bottle is used. Again the cardboard is used for making a ring game. Here again you can see cardboard is used for making and creating a game. You can create such creative games using waste tins and any waste material like sticks etc. Here you can see again one cardboard basketball game and a paper game for children. Here also cardboard is used for making a basketball game, and waste egg tray is used for making a game for children. Here outdoor games you can create using waste tires and pipes. You can also make decorative articles using waste materials. Here you can see ice cream sticks and paper, and here in this picture bottles are used to make decorative articles. Here also paper dolls you can see in the picture. You can also create beautiful animal models using waste bottles. In this picture you can see some examples. Here also one spider is made out of bottle. You can also make some beautiful robots using waste tins. Here tin robots are shown. Here one robot is made from bottle also. Here are some models of robots using waste tins, and here in this picture you can see a cardboard robot. You can also make models of vehicles. In this picture you can see waste cells and tin cans are used along with cardboard to make such a beautiful model of tractor. Here waste bottle is used for making aeroplane. Here also some sticks are used for making such beautiful aeroplane model. You can also make different shapes and kind of organizers for different purposes, like in this picture. Here matchboxes are used for making a tiny organizer for tiny things. Here left bottles are used for making organizers. Pencil holders are there with the help of waste or empty shampoo bottles. Such organizer you can make using cardboard. These steps you can follow to make an organizer. It looks like this after making, and after decoration it looks like this. You can also make such different type of organizer for different applications, and you can use leftover wood for making book racks also. So these are some ideas you can apply for making your own best things from waste materials in your home. Here I am giving some YouTube links. You can watch some videos so that to get any idea for making your own waste material from waste, and this is your assignment. You can prepare any object you want, like decorative object, accessories, furniture articles, showpieces, models of vehicles or robots, houses, etc. from any waste material using your inspiration, ideas and creativity, understanding that waste material is something found in the garbage or something that is normally intended to be thrown away.